The SIA AS1 Physics June 2013 question on vectors. So here it gives us a particle P is being acted on with two different forces. The forces act in different directions. The first thing it says is to draw the resultant of these forces. Now because it's being pulled this way and it's being pulled this way, the resultant is going to be straight up in the middle here. So that's what I've drawn on there, that's the resultant. And to calculate the resultant, because the 70 and the 50 are at right angles, we can use Pythagoras. So that's what I've done there, the 70 plus 50 squared, and then we square root that and we get a resultant of 86 newtons. To find the angle, it is simply, you just take, you're basically looking at a triangle. It says relative to the 70 newtons. So that is really, your 70 newtons is this way, your 50 is this way. Yeah. So that's the angle here we're wanting. So it's your opposite over your adjacent, which I've done here, which is your 50 divided by 70, shift tan, and you get 35.5, which is rounded up to 36 degrees. The next part here, it says a displacement vector D has a magnitude, a size of 64 kilometers, and is 38 degrees east of north has shown, and it wants us to find the components of the north and east vectors. Now usually when we do something like this, the angle that they give us is the angle between from the horizontal, and usually that would be the cos and that would be the sine. However, they don't give us this angle, they give us this angle here. So in this case, to find my north component, instead of doing sine, you actually do cos. So it's the magnitude 64 cos the angle, which is 38. And to find east, we do sine. So the magnitude 64 sine 38. And when we do that, we get the east. This one's about 39.4. And the north one is about 50.4. And that's your two answers. So just be careful whenever you're asked one of these questions, because it all depends on the angle. If we were given that angle, you'd just use the usual rules that is cos and that is sine, but they haven't given us that. They've given us the other angle, so don't let it trick you out.